Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to put your incubator together, and as you can see, this is the nurture rack 360. Okay, so you're going to plug in your adapter, and then around here you can see the one cord runs from the bottom of the incubator into right here, and that is your egg timer. So it makes rotation, and this is your power cord that comes in. Okay, so you're going to load all your eggs inside the incubator after you've ran it for about 4 or 5 hours, and make sure that temperature is ranging good. So you want to make sure all of your eggs, the pointy end of your egg is pointing to the inside. Okay, so it's got 2 little humidity places here. So you're going to put water in this one, and then 3 days before hatching time, which is 21 days, you're going to remove this and put more water in that to get your humidity level up to about 75. But you want to keep it right around 50%, and your temperature should be 99.5. So to reset your incubator, always do this before you start. You're going to press this and hold it down, this and the minus button. You're going to press them at the same time, hold it down until you hear it go beep, and that resets the countdown days on it. So I've already done that. We're actually a couple of days in, so I'm not going to press that right now. But also, you want to check to make sure that your egg turner is working. So the way that you do that is you press and hold the, or you actually just press it one time, the positive and negative at the same time. And when you press that, let me show you, it's going to make the egg rotation thing work. So you want to do that about 3 times just to make sure that your egg turner is working correctly, because every day this thing works, I don't know how many times a day it actually turns the eggs, but naturally a hen would do that. She would rotate those eggs underneath her if she were hatching it. So we're trying to copy what she does. So you want to make sure that your humidity level stays right around 50%. It comes with this little squeeze bottle, and what I like to do is I like to put warm water in it and then to squirt it into there. Sometimes if it gets too much humidity and it's too high, I'll take this, empty it out, and then squeeze it and then suck some of the water out if it gets to where the humidity is too high. You also want to make sure that your little vent is open, usually about a quarter right here, and then when it's 3 days before hatching, you're going to open it more. Look for the instructions. I believe that you actually open it halfway, so to give the baby chicks more air, ventilation. So this incubator has a fan in there, and it keeps the air circulated inside. And right now it's the winter time, and my house is about right around 63 degrees. The instructions say that you should not hatch them unless it's at least 72 in your home, but this is actually working just fine with it being cool in here. It's keeping up the temperature. So you want to sit it somewhere that's away from drafts, and this is just sitting on my counter in my kitchen. So I hope this helps, and when the baby chicks are hatched out, I'll come back and show you all those.